Hi everyone, I'm Jamie.
I'm Tessa and we're from the NYP MC Club. We're here today to bring you around our getaway paradise, also known as T-Junction.
Now T-Junction is a special place for us NYP students to relax and de-stress, and it actually consists of 2 levels.
So I'll be bringing you around T-Junction and Jamie here will be bringing you around the gym.
So you bring our friends around and I'll work out first.
Bye-bye! So right here in T-Junction, we have lots of fun activities and some special facilities too. And for our very first stop, we've got an amazing jamming room for all you music enthusiasts. That was definitely the place to go to if you're looking to play some music with your friends. But once you're done jamming, you can either go to the tea cafe to grab some snacks or even jump straight right into the games that we have here. These are some of the games that we have here in T-Junction. But if you think we're done, we're actually far from it. We also have a wide variety of board games for you and your friends. And to wrap up the first floor, here are the 2 main highlights of T-Junction: the pool table and also the gaming room, where we have several gaming consoles. These 2 places are actually one of the more popular ones, so do remember to book your slots before it's too late. Come on! And that's it for the first floor of T-Junction. Next, I'll have Jamie bring you around the second floor. Over to you, Jamie.
Oh, hello there! Thank you, Tessa! As you have seen, there's really a lot of exciting games for us to play. But that's not all. For those of you who are looking for a place to exercise while in school, we've got you covered. On our second level, we have our very own full-fledged gym, also known as the body wash gym, for us to use. Come, I'll show you around. Where I'm standing right now is known as the 360 multifunctional station. Just like its name, you can do a range of exercises right at this spot, such as the ropes, the kettlebells, and we even have a punching bag. One more chance, one more chance. Okay, you know what? This is really not for me. Let's move on to the next location. Now for our ladies, if you prefer some personal space when you exercise, we have a designated area for you, the ladies section. Now speaking about exercise, I need to carry on my workout too. Now that was a great workout, so there you have it, our very own body wash gym. But just before we end off our tour, there's actually one more place that's my personal favorite, the dance studios. Over here, we have a few dance studios that are located right beside the gym area for our CCA sessions and sports and wellness classes. Let's go take a look. Whoa. Well, that's all we have on the second level of T-Junction. Now I actually wonder where Tessa is. Tessa, you there?
Yes?
You started without me?
I got hungry.
Okay, we do the closing first, okay?
Okay.
Alright, and with that, we've come to the end of today's virtual tour as part of NYP's Open House 2021.
If you'd like to see more of NYP's Open House activities, do follow us on Instagram at Nanyang Poly and also at NYP Student Life. Once again, my name is Tessa.
My name is Jamie and we're from the NYP MC Club.
We hope to see you soon. Bye-bye!